Hello, this is Devashish. Today I am going to talk about how to make your computer fast. You cannot make your fast more than it is, but when we buy a computer and after running some days, it gets comparatively slow. So, how we can optimize the level of the computer, the speed of the computer, we are going to see today. So, let's start. So, first of all, we have to check the health of our computer. What is the problem? We have to find out. So how we can find? You go to run and write resource monitor. Go to run. Sorry, you go to start. It's not run. You go to start and write resource monitor. Resource monitor. Okay. So the resource monitor is pop up. If we see the overview of my computer health, is showing me CPU, disk, network, and memory. So I can see my CPU is using about 76 to 80%, and my maximum frequency is 122%. So what is this? This is actually overclocking. My computer is my CPU speed is overclocked. So this is showing this. If you don't know about overclocking, I have separate video on this. Please check it out. And my disk is my hard drive. All the hard drive, it's fine. I see network is quite okay. Okay, my memory is used about 80%. So here I will get some negative feedback from my computer because it's I think quite running out. So nowadays I am experiencing a little bit slow operation of my computer. So here it is problem. So I am going to increase my RAM to make my computer more optimized, because nowadays I have some graphical software to be used, and some like Android application software. Android Studio, you might heard about this. It's also a RAM hunger program. So if you are using these programs, you have to increase your RAM. So that's how you can find what is actually you need to increase, or you take actions to make your computer more optimized. So let's move and see what are some other reasons, or some other aspects we are getting we are experiencing our computer slow. So there are two main reasons. One is hardware and another is software. So what is hardware issues? Hardware what are the hardware issues I am going to talk about now? One of the major issue is, as I said before, is RAM run out. We don't have enough space in our RAM, so the computer will slow down. Another, it might be your hard disk or SSD, solid state uh, drive, which is more faster than hard drive. I would like to share one experience. Just a few days ago, I went to a computer shop and asking them to that my computer are getting slowing down nowadays, and I am to increase my RAM. So they're suggesting me, they were suggesting me to do not increase your RAM, just move your hard disk from regular hard disk to SSD. That will make your computer fast. And yes, it will make your computer fast in some sort of points, but if your RAM is running out and you're going to move in HDD to SSD, it is not going to work for you, because actually what you need, the your RAM is, you need, you are running big programs and you don't have enough space in your RAM. If you don't know about what is difference between RAM and hard disks and all other components, I have another separate video. Please watch this. So that's the problem. So what you going to change, you have to think first. What you have to check first, what is your computer require. If it is RAM, then you change, you increase your RAM. If it is your problem is on your hard disk, move to SSD. So whatever, you have to take the decision as per your computer requirement. And another is processor's clock speed. So you have to also consider this, because if your processor is not fast enough, you will experience a, mm, a slow computer. So what are the software issues we might can experience? So first of one is fragment drive. After buying a computer, we forget to fragment our drives. We never fragment our drives. So what will happen? Windows have to find the files from here and there, and your device will go slow down. So fragment your drive regularly, at least once a month, or twice, 2 months and one, so that your computer will be uh, comparatively fast. And another is too many background program. If you're running too many background program like Photoshop, Illustrator, and others, so graphical program at a time, so your computer will definitely go slow down, because it will acquire the space in your RAM, and your computer is going slow, will go slow down. So excuse me. So reduce the use of, if your computer is not highly configured, do not run too many program in background. Another is too many starter program. When you start a computer, there are options. You can you can increase or decrease the startup program. Like, you do not might need your Photoshop run in your starter program. You do not might need your Illustrator program to in your startup. So let the computer start first, then you can start it manually. So reduce the startup program. And another is falling behind on Windows or driver update. Your driver or Windows not up to date. So this might be problem, because you are adding new programs in your computer, and your computer might not know. Some of driver might not experiencing the new program with his older version. So if you update your driver and your Windows, this will help you out. Another big problem is malware virus. This is serious issues. If you are using Windows 10, you might not need a antivirus, but if you are using the previous versions of Windows, then you might need a antivirus to prevent your computer from attack from virus or malware. Another problem is special effect and visual features. This is actually nowadays, the younger generation like to see very nice uh, the wallpapers and others thing on your computer. So if you it is okay, you can have it, but you have to have this configured device to see your to um, enjoy your visual features. So these are the most problems. So now we talk about what to do. So if your RAM is running out, definitely you have to increase your RAM. And if your hard disk or SSD is running out, what you can do, you can transfer your file to your passport or portable hard drive, or you can, if you see that the file, some of file is not necessary, um, you can just delete it. Do not do not keep your junk files in hard drives, because so we don't care about hard disks, but hard disks is especially the C drive is more vital to get your computer fast, um, or I would like to say comparatively fast. And the processor clock speed, if your processor is not fast enough, and if your processor is not overclocked, so you might get a little bit slower or more slower computer. So these were the hardware issue and the solutions. And software problem is old fragment hard drive. You have to fragment regularly, as I said before. And too many background program. Try not to open many program at a time, and upgrade your RAM. This also, if you want to um, programs want to start with your Windows, you have to increase your RAM as well. And another is too many sorry falling behind on Windows or driver update your driver. Malware virus, use a good antivirus. So this is the software problem and its solution. And one more suggestion, you whichever Windows you use, you have to clean it, or like Windows 10, Windows 7, or whatever. You have to clean your computer regularly. So use the CC cleaner. It is a good tools to make your computer clean. um, at least once a week I suggest you run CC cleaner, and you will experience a good speed of your computer. So here it is, the here is the link. I will provide it in this video description, so you can get it from there. So let's move on. Any question? If you have any question on this video or your computer, please leave a comment on this video so I can answer to you. And also requesting you to subscribe my channel. It's really helped me a lot. Okay, thanks for the day. Bye bye.